Hello everyone, in our last class we had already learned about what is the meaning of organizational structure, as in it is the structure which is created or which is established to create a relationship between people, work and all resources. It defines structure of the organization as in where which kind of resources should be used, what kind of work or what kind of person or what kind of employees should be used, as well as what kind of each and every production, each and every people associated or doing the job at some particular place. So in case of organizational structure, we had already learned about that it is the relationship between establishes a relation between it establishes a relation between work, people and resources. This all deals with organizational structure. Now there is one new topic, one new concept which deals with span of management. That is span of management. What does that mean? Why we use the span of management in our organization structure? My dear friends, span of management generally deals with how many superior or how many subordinates are working in particular a single superior, as in one superior directs how many subordinates. It all deals with the how many level you are maintaining, how many team members you are managing is generally dealing with span of management. So in case of span of management, we deal with number of subordinates taking direction with single superior. Organization structure generally deals with all levels of management at the whole complete organization structure, but span of management generally deals with the particular level of management, as in it describes how many subordinates are dealing or how many subordinates are getting directions from a single superior. As in case of difference, if I can say, then in both of them, let's see what's the difference. As in case of organization structure, in last class we learned about that what is the organization structure as well as how it is formed. We discussed like it is like company, and under company we get three heads like finance, production and then sales or marketing, whatever you want. Thereafter in finance we divided into three parts, as in receipts, payments and credit. Credit facility is divided into finance part. In production section we discussed about what kind of production you are using, raw material, finished goods or work in progress, WIP. Yeah, in case of sales department we deal with marketing strategies, or we deal with advertisement strategies, or we deal with sales promotion activities, etc. This all completely deals with organizational structure. Yeah, my friends, we already discussed about that. This completely structure deals with the organization, which says about what is the work, what are the resources, as well as what are the people doing the work is dealing with this structure. So this structure generally known as organization structure. What is the span of management? Span of management we will tell about, as in suppose at this level of management they have each managers, separate managers, as in finance manager, production manager or sales manager. Now span of management tells about, in case of finance manager there are 3 persons doing the job or 3 departments are there who are using the job or who are doing the job, as in receipts, payment and credit. Receipts, payment and credit. Suppose in receipt section there are 3 employees are working, in payment section there are 3 employees are working, in credit section there are 2 employees are working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's number them each and every employees, as in how many employees are working in each and every department. Now what does that span of management means? For in case of receipts department, span of management is up to this only, as in case of receipts management only this person 1, 2 and 3, only this person is dealing with span of management, as in case of receipts department, as a receipt manager only 3 subordinates are doing the job. Same in that manner, if I am talking about the finance department, finance manager part, if I am talking about the finance manager part, then my dear friends, finance manager is a superior, under him there are 3 different workers or different subordinates are doing their job. Who are they? They are receipts manager or receipts person, payment person or credit person. So this is generally deals with the span of management, as in this particular area, division of superior to subordinate or distribution of each subordinate under the single superior is generally deals with span of management. Initially span of management generally becomes true for only a particular level of management only, but when it goes and extended on proper basis, then it may extend to organizational structure. As in see the reverse chart, while making these employees, these are showing that how they are dealing with their superiors, respective superiors. These superiors will deal with the finance manager, production manager, sales manager respectively, and then the finance manager, production manager, sales manager, they will deal with companies policies, top management, board of directors, etc. So span of management generally is used as basically a wide narrow term which is extended or which can be expanded to make an organization structure, and it will be in case organization structure is a wider term as compared to span of management. Clear? Let's see the concept. We learn about relation between span of management and organization structure. Span of management refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. Span of management talks about how many superior or how many subordinates are dealing with the single superior. Span of management to a large extent, this is the relation actually, the span of management to a large extent gives shape to the organization structure, as in span of management goes beyond and beyond as well as expanded in each and every manner, it creates a organization structure. Clear? This determines the level of management in the structure. Level of management, as in we already discussed about the lower level, as in subordinates comes under receipt department, payment department and credit department. The middle level is generally deals with the receipt, payment or credit, and their superior belongs to finance manager, production manager and sales manager respectively. The top management dealing with finance manager going to tell with boards, top management or company directors or something like that. So this generally deals with your organizational structure as well as span of management. Clear, my friends? In our next class we will discuss about what are the different types of organization structure we are following in our companies or in our organizations. Okay, till then, thank you.